Our today's video is all about the product of two binomials using FOIL method. But let's go first give the meaning of FOIL. F stands for the first terms of two binomials, O outside terms of two binomials, I inside terms of two binomials, then L the last terms of two binomials. So let's go to our first example. 2x plus 3 times 3x minus 2. So first get the product of the first terms. So the product of the first terms, 2x times 3x equivalent to 6x squared. Next, get the product of the outside terms. So 2x and negative 2. So 2x times negative 2, negative 4x. Next, the product of the inside terms, 3 and 3x. So 3 times 3x equivalent to 9x. Next, the product of the last terms, 3 and negative 2. So 3 times negative 2 equivalent to negative 6x. Then copy the 6x squared. Combine negative 4x and 9x because the same terms. So negative 4x plus 9x equivalent to positive 5x. Then copy the negative 6. So the product of 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2 is 6x squared plus 5x minus 6. So let's go to our next example. 5x minus 7 times 2x minus 2. First, go to the product of the first terms, 5x and 2x. So 5x times 2x, 10x squared. The outside terms, so 5x times negative 2. 5x times negative 2 equivalent to negative 10x. The inside terms, negative 7 times 2x equivalent to negative 14x. Then the last terms, negative 7 and negative 2. So negative 7 times negative 2, positive 14. Then copy the 10x squared. Combine negative 10x and negative 14x because the same term. So negative 10x minus 14x or negative 10x plus negative 14x equivalent to negative 24x. Then copy the positive 14. So the product of 5x minus 7 and 2x minus 2 is 10x squared minus 24x plus 14. So next example, 3x squared minus 5y times 4x minus 2. So our first term, 3x squared and 4x. So 3x squared times 4x equivalent to 12x cubed. The outside terms, 3x squared times negative 2 equivalents to negative 6x squared. The inside terms, negative 5y times 4x. So equivalent to negative 20xy. The last terms, negative 5y times negative 2. So positive 10y. So since all the terms are different, so the final answer are 12x cubed minus 6x squared minus 20xy plus 10y. So that's all for this video, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe.